Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sairam and you are watching RSI Tech Talks. So today I'm going to unbox this amazing product, and that's Realme Buds Wireless. Let's see the features, and you see a Realme branding here, and this is also same. And coming back, you're having the magnetic control, 11.2 mm bass boost driver, 12-hour playback, flexible necklace, Bluetooth 5.0 and sweat-proof IPX4. It's a nice thing. And let's see inside also. Let's unbox it. And before unboxing, let's see what's the downside. This is the mini box. Let's see what's inside this. That's it. So first we see a user manual, and this is the charging pin of micro USB. And next we are having the extra safety soft buds inside this. Yes. And let's come back to the headphone. So let's open the earbuds wireless one. So these are the earphones. Let's take it out. So let's keep this box aside and let's come to the earphones. So this is the earphones. You see, it's really a smart device we are having here. And let's see the magnetic quality, how it is. You see, it's a nice quality, and you're having a nice quality here. And this is a battery of 12 hours playback. It's a nice thing. And this is the volume up button, volume down button, and by pressing this button you can accept calls and decline calls. And this is the lightning button of your charging indicator. And you can charge by using micro USB cable, micro USB port we're having here. And I'll show you how nice it fits to the neck and everything. And before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.